Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you on how to use conditional formatting, pivot table, dashboard, and slicer to help you analyze data. I'm using the 2010 census data because I love geography, so I want to do a project that is something related to geography, and then the census data is arranged by states. So that's why I chose to use the census data. First, we can use the conditional formatting to help us find the state with the most population. So let's use column C, the 2010 population, and go to conditional formatting, the top and slash bottom rows, and let's go with the top 10%. The red highlights are the state with the most population on 2010. We can also use conditional formatting to help us find the state with the least population. And let's use column B, the 2000 population. Let's use a different color this time so we can contrast the data. The states with the green highlights on are the state with the least population at 2000. We can also use conditional formatting to make our data more graphically. So let's use conditional formatting. Go to data bars. And then the data bar will help us and display the data more graphically. Next, I'm going to show you how to use the pivot table. So let's scroll on the data that you want to use. And let's go to Insert, Pivot Table. And this will allow us to create a new worksheet. I'm going to compare and contrast the 2000 and 2010 population. So I'm going to select states, population of 2000 and population of 2010. And we can use the data to make a chart. So the cluster column will represent the 2000 population, and the orange line here will represent the 2010 population. I also use the pivot table to create other dashboards, and then it's on here. So the first is a column chart. It's the 2010 population by state. So as you can see, the highest column on here is California. So it means it's the most populous state at 2010, followed by Texas and New York. And New York is neck and neck with Florida. The pie chart represents the population density by state. So New Jersey is the most dense state. So the number 1195 here represents every mile square. There'll be 1195 people living on the area. And it's followed by Rhode Island. So on every mile square in Rhode Island, there will be 1,018 people living on the area in average. The last graph is the area by state, which includes the land area plus the water area. The water area includes lake, ocean, and river. So the line graph with the highest point is Alaska, which it means Alaska is the biggest state with land and water area combined, and it's followed by Texas. Next, I'm going to show you to use slicer to help us sort and compare data. So let's click on one of the pivot table and go to Analyze, Insert Slicer. So we're going to arrange the data by state. Before we can use the slicer, we need to link the three charts together. So we right-click on Slicer, Report Connection, and select the other two charts on here. Now let's compare the first three states. As you can see, Slicer allows you to display the data on the three following states on the three charts. Well, that's everything I done with conditional formatting, pivot table, dashboard, and slicer for this project. Thank you so much for watching.